In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Deferit to pay your bills now and split the cost into interest-free installments. It's a simple way to manage expenses without stress. First, download the Deferit app or go to their website and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, tap Upload a Bill. You can upload utility bills, phone bills, car registrations, and more. Just make sure it has your name and the due amount. After uploading, Deferit will review the bill and, once approved, give you the option to pay it in 4 installments. You pay the first part upfront, and Deferit pays the full bill to the provider on your behalf. Then the remaining payments are automatically debited every 2 weeks. No interest, no late fees if you stay on schedule. You can manage all your bills, view upcoming payments, and update payment info directly in the app. If this video helped you understand how to use Deferit, please like and subscribe for more smart finance tips. Thanks for watching.